Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To those that are new, my name is Credo Gray, and welcome to the family, and to my routine subscribers and my soldiers. Thank you for being here, thank you for coming back. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment if you find this channel very interesting. We're still a small channel, but we are growing, so all thanks to everybody who's been supporting us from day one. We thank you so much. So I'm gonna do dishes. My house is a mess. I'm even embarrassed to show it because lately I've been feeling under the weather, and yeah, so I was just sleeping throughout with medication and everything, so it was just making things worse. But today I decided, you know what, because my sink was just full with dishes, and I was like, I can't live in this house when it's like this, so I need to up my mood and start cleaning. So I'm gonna start with the dishes and then we take it from there. So basically this is me opening this vlog. I'll see you.
But she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party alone. Just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up.
Shoo! Hi, Shem. The girl is tired. Okay, the girl is tired. So anyway, this is part 1 of the cleaning vlog because I did a lot and I'm tired. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna relax, and probably by tomorrow I'll start the part 2 of this cleaning vlog because I'm done with the laundry, I'm done with the dishes. I just need to pack it and fold it and put it in the drawers, and in the cabinet, and also do it. Oh, then clean the house. I think that's the only thing that's left. So yeah, if you're watching till this point, thank you so much for your support. I love you, I like you, I adore you and appreciate you a lot. So yeah, till the next one, I'll see you there.